Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add sound for keyboard key press and mouse clicks in any Windows and Linux computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as keyboard sounds. And the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here download on GitHub. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now just below the assets you will see here tons of files. So if you see a .deb, that is a Debian, that is for Linux, and .pacman is also for Linux, and if you see a .exe, then this is for the Windows computer. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can see the application shortcut icon appearing on my desktop home screen. So now just click on the taskbar tray menu icon and now you will see here keyboard sounds. Just right mouse click on it. Now just click on this show keyboard sounds. Now you will see here tons of options. So the first one is the audio. So below you can see audio profiles. So you can click on it and you can select the respective audio profile, whichever keyboard sounds you want. So these are the options available. So let's keep the default one. And second one is for the mouse. Just click on it. Now just select the second option. And you can increase or decrease the keyboard key press sounds or mouse click sounds to whatever volume level you want. So I'll just keep the 75 level, and you can even increase the pitch select just by enabling it. You can manually select, and below there are keyboard only or mouse only or both. So I'll just use both the sounds. So I've selected both the options here, and next option is the profile. So you can create your own profile. So right now you can see the active profiles, and next option is the rules. So you can make it disable for unknown applications. Next is the settings. So under the settings, tons of options. So if you want to make this application run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just select the first option, and even you can enable a demo window. If you're using a OBS Studio screen recorder, then you can enable it, and below there are tons more options. And the last one is community level. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application setting. So now once all settings are done, just click on this start demo. Now once you see this red color indication, that means the application has started. So now let me try to press any key on my computer keyboard so you can hear the sound. So you can hear the keyboard key press sound, right? So now let me try to click my mouse button. So you can hear the mouse clicking sound also. So you can clearly see. So it's actually working using this application named as keyboard sounds. So by using this cool application named as keyboard sounds, you can easily add sound for keyboard key press and mouse clicks in any Windows and Linux computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.